you. You see?
Woo!
Ow!
Action!
What?
Damn it!
What?
Big!
What?
Woo!
What is it called when you like when the screw use the wrong screwdriver?
There you go.
But we're fine. And then
Manual.
I'll show another one. So you show.
Ooh. It's just the bag.
Okay, well, this is the super you. You see? Ooh, thank you. And it's gonna go here.
You see how Johnny's do it? Put it back. Put it back. Put it back. Okay. Now you do it. Press it down and then get it out. Yup.
And then put it up.
Okay.
Now move this one up. Ow.
What's this?
The black one.
Yeah, put it up.
Okay. This is the
This
scary
is-
part.
Okay. You see these small things?
Yeah.
Don't touch it
Don't touch it.
at all.
Okay, don't touch it at all.
Okay, open
Okay,
that.
yeah. This is where a lot of people can screw up. There's an arrow right there on the top left.
Oh, this arrow right here.
You align that with this arrow. And
Bumbleclut, I cannot get the arrow.
This arrow.
Oh, you're
right
right.
Oh yeah, that arrow, that gold arrow.
Just align this gold arrow with that one and you should be fine.
Okay.
This is what everybody has to do. Even DeAndre made me do it like that.
Oh my god. Okay.
Yeah, you see your fingers are on the outside, and then you can just
Drop it. Okay.
I forget how to do it.
You're fine.
Is it like that?
Yeah, and then put that one in.
Oh my god. Is it supposed to be making that noise?
Yep.
Yeah.
All the way down and back in.
Yep, it's supposed to be hard.
Woo! Next, you would go with your SSD.
This is the
You're installing this one soon.
SSD. Oh, this.
Not really,
You can
no.
hold it kind of.
Opposite.
Okay, so.
Like that, and then flick it up. There you go. There you go.
Oh,
Whoa.
Make sure you take this wrap off.
this gigabyte.
So we're taking the wrap.
Wait, no, don't take it
Oh
off yet.
my god.
Until we put the SD in.
Okay.
Take this one off first. There you go. Make sure you take off the wraps.
Wrappy wrap.
Then get the SSD, and you have to go in at an angle. There you go.
I'm not doing it for her. She got to do it. I gotta
Okay,
let my little
make
baby
sure-
bird fly.
So literally
Do you want to switch to Marcus's spot so you
Like-
can see better?
this.
And
Okay.
then push it in. Let's go! Whoa, I like that. I like that. Push it down first because it's gonna stick down.
Ah!
Oh
Oh.
my god.
No, it didn't.
Then you get this thingy. Make sure to take off the blue wrap,
No, it doesn't go down. You have to
so it's good and
But
Yeah,
it's
yeah.
at an angle. Okay, so this thingy.
goes in this little hole.
Like that.
there you go. And then you press it down,
Does it feel nice?
Yeah.
and then there you go.
Oh, this is next?
Yeah.
Oh,
Ram
God.
sticks.
Okay.
Easy.
If they're even looking at this one.
Okay, so for this one, you want to look at this. Make sure it's DDR5. It tells you the position it goes on here, A2 and B2. So it'd be this one. Make sure you put
Whoa.
those off. Okay, so you want to align it with this here on the bottom here. And then you're going to put it in place and give it even pressure. Right, Shane?
Yeah.
Then
What
both
you
of the
There you go.
What if you were to do it this way?
It wouldn't let you.
Oh.
Risking the biscuit on my piece.
Oh, it's not, no, not even gonna. I wasn't even gonna press it down, but yeah, it has to go down those things. And it should go down. Yeah,
Okay.
go crazy.
That's what snaps.
Okay. Did that snap?
Nope.
You got one more side. There you go.
Boom.
The AG400.
Oh, I don't know what the heck this thingy is.
Bro, I feel like we bought it though. Didn't you give it to me?
Pay attention though, because
I know, but still,
Yeah.
they're not.
Oh my lord.
and then you take off the two middle thingies.
These?
Yeah.
Okay.
Place them in that screw initially. Gotta place them like this.
Okay. This?
Damn.
getting it?
This
Cinematography.
camera angle's full.
Thank you. I know.
We don't use the orange ones.
Oh, man, shut up, man.
Yeah. Was that just an extra we had?
No. Once like you go and you
Oh.
thermal paste.
Ooh.
Sorry.
Oh yeah, that is a lot.
No, an X since there's no
Take off sticker. Sticker. Oh.
And which way do you know?
Fan facing your RAM sticks.
Oh, okay, cool.
Just aligning with.
Go one side little by little.
Okay.
No.
1, 2.
And I'm lining the whole.
Align it with the middle one.
I lined it up with this one first, and then I made sure this one is together in the middle. Okay, these are the screws that go into these
Correct.
little holes.
It's whatever, bro. Okay.
Very good. Just make sure they're like tight, and that's it.
Instead of having a
I know.
I'm the one who got hurt.
So you want to make sure the fan's facing away from the motherboard. So like that, yeah. And yours is just installed like that.
Yay!
That's crazy.
The case. Sounds like a FIFA song.
Whole white setup.
Yeah.
GPU.
Yeah.
That's it.
They're really unique.
You know what
so
that is?
see the bottom? See that open thing? You don't want to put your fingers there. I'm just saying, don't touch this right here.
Don't touch that, and don't touch that.
These are your case connectors. This is your audio one, the one that's multicolored. This is your USB 3. Or I like this is the USB 3. This is your USB ones. And this is, I think, your fan. Yeah, this is your fan. This one's your PCIe. This one's your graphics card one.
Graphics card.
Yeah, this one also graphics card.
Okay.
Motherboard.
Motherboard. Your hand is still in the way. Piece. Graphics card.
Graphics card.
Motherboard.
Motherboard. CPU. Motherboard. Or not motherboard. Graphics card. Could also be used as a CPU.
Okay.
Graphics card that could also be used as CPU. SATA. Hard drive / RGB.
Okay, cool.
I'm not gonna lie, they're gonna have to look at like another tutorial, bro.
This one is our F panel. We go slide under there. Our audio. Try to keep it organized. Okay. Slide this to USB 3. This guy goes on top.
You said this on top, and then these are the other cords that go under.
Also on top, this one.
What is coming through?
Yeah.
That one is on top. Oh, and then this guy.
Okay, so the easiest one to do is the audio one. It's the only colored one here.
See, look. Man hands. Colored ones. Ow!
I have these pins here. You just want to look at which ones are missing and which ones are there. And then you want to line that up with these ones down here.
Okay.
Keep going smooth.
Keep going, keep going.
Whoa.
That's good.
Yeah.
And
Does
that
it
you
feel bad?
No.
Yeah.
It just felt like I got stuck for a second.
This one, it says F panel.
Okay.
This is technically our power to the computer.
F panel.
You want to look at the one down here that says F panel, and then you line that one up the same way as the HDMI or the audio.
This one.
For your CPU fan, you want to get this one, and you want to connect it to CPU fan. It only goes in one specific way. And there you go. There it goes in. And then since this one has RGB lights, you want to find a GDB one, and you want to connect that one in. There you go. Yep. Okay, then we have our. This is the one I almost broke on mine. You have your USB, but you want to orangutan this around and then connect it in like that. Then this one's your little USB connector to everything. This one has it covered. Take that off. Only goes in one way. Same thing. I think it's upside down. Just line it up. Make it go in. Better. And that's all.
That was just plain.
No, G4. I remember Juani's would always be G4.
Oh, a team.
Huh?
Isn't that a team?
No, I'm talking about roller coaster. You know when you're going down?
With the hamster.
You know when you're going down?
All I did was just connect the fan one.
Wow, without his Geo.
I'm sorry, you guys were talking about G4s. So
G4's now.
Now our audience is
It's even called
confused.
G4s, I don't know.
all I did was just connect.
I think that's the
this one
NVIDIA game subscription thing, though.
Yeah.
Oh, what do I do?
Connect it to the only big one you see. I don't know how. Damn! There it goes.
See?
I'm not a good
Connect the
crowd.
bottom.
What the heck? Down here?
Yeah.
Oh.
You see it? Woo! Easier.
How was that one easier and the other one wasn't?
I don't know.
What
Through here?
in the... Alright, Marcus, now it's coming through here like a snake. And we're gonna turn it back around.
Probably is that way.
Look at it.
Whoa! Woo! It's in. This is the CPU one.
Okay.
It's an 8-pin.
Okay.
Connector where it's the CPU. Right here.
Oh, okay. Okay.
We got this one. We're gonna feed that one through this side.
Okay. With this guy. It has to be this one?
Yeah, that one. You're almost there. There you go. Woo! The part we've all been waiting for.
Okay, what is that?
The graphics card.
He's
Alright,
sliding
about to
them
turn it on.
under.
Sliding them under.
Okay.
Getting them right there. You ready? We're almost done.
In your butt.
That's the top one.
Top.
Yeah,
Here?
that one. Yeah. Oh, you even helped the little clip.
Doesn't matter. This is the part that can break.
Oh my
It
god.
would go like this.
Oh, okay.
So if we were to just measure with these two right here, so far, you can let go if you want.
Okay.
So far, you can see that it's not gonna fit because it wants these three out.
Oh.
That's how you would measure it. So you gotta want to take off these three first.
Weird, bro.
Okay, so
I
just
need a
taking
piece
out
of
those
that.
3 screws.
Can I use? Okay, if you ever need to take this out, or I guess put it in, you always have to put this thing down. Or
Okay.
that's how you're gonna. I think that's like that's how you're gonna snap it.
Okay, so I just push it down?
It's like the RAM. It's like the RAM.
Okay.
You captured a fatal mistake.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
It's not a
Alright.
fatal.
We'll be back when this is all done.
Yup, and then push it in.
Woo! That's
That one
one.
is smooth.
Okay.
Woo! Don't flip this. Hold on. Base control's going on. Yeah! Ready? Ready?
Press it?
Press it.
Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1.
Whoa!
You probably should have connected the monitor.
The power
And then-
supply thing is in here.
Woo! It lights up over here too!
Wow.